We see billion of living things in the planet, microorganism and bacteria, lichens to banyan tree, elephant, whale and penguins. These all are so many different types of animals which have different habitats. Plants, animals, microorganism. These all are playing important role in our daily life, and the forests play important role for purification of the air we breathe. So, forest and wildlife resource is our chapter today. We are going to discuss about that. First of all, let us see the flora and fauna in India. As we know that India is a vast country and India is one of the richest country in the biodiversity. India has variety of forests and animals and they play very important role in our daily life. We are using it for the various purpose, animal and plants. They are giving us immense important things, essential things which are needed in our daily life. But due to insensitivity to our environment, there is an immense degradation of our environment. We need to conserve that. Otherwise, we are going to pay in future. As you can see, people are throwing plastic bottles and the polythenes and all in river and ocean. The oceans are totally it is in the dangerous situation. So conservation of wildlife and all, India has played some important role for that. The wildlife of India, as we know, the population of forest and as well as the animal is declining day by day. So what can be done for saving the environment and saving the earth? It is estimated that 10% of flora and the 20% of mammal in India are in threatened list and that is going to vanish. And do you know we are having 81,000 of species of fauna and 47,000 of species of flora in our country. Among that, 47,000 plant species and 15,000 flowering species are indigenous. That means they are found only in India. So we are having a great responsibility to save these all things. Many of these are now in the danger situation and they are categorized as a critical. Cheetah, pink-headed duck, like mountain quails. So many animals are already vanished. We know that in India now 79 species of mammal, 44 of birds, 15 of reptiles and 3 amphibians are in threatened area situation. Nearly 1500 plant species and are considered as endangered. Flowering plants are vertebrate animals have recently become extinct at the rate of estimated to be 50 to 100 times the average expected. So in 1940 and 1960 and 1970, conservationists have demanded that there should be the protection for the wildlife and some program for that. So the Indian Wildlife Act was implemented in 1972. According to that, some of the process was done like banning of hunting, giving the legal protection for the habitats and restriction of trade in wildlife. Many central government and state government has started natural national parks and wildlife sanctuary. One of them is Project Tiger. The tiger is one of the key wild species in fauna web in the India. In 1973, the authorities realized that target population had dwindled with the 1,827 and from it is estimated 55,000 at the term of the country. So there is a major threat that happened to the population of the tiger. The tiger skin is used for the trade, its bone is used for the medicines, and because of these all qualities, it is demanded and it is exported and smuggled in other countries. So there was a major need to protect the tiger. As it is found in India and Nepal, the more illegal activities for trading the tiger is happening here. So the Project Tiger was very important. Now our government is playing more important for different type of species and they are conserving. So this one type of conservation projects are now focusing. Now they are focusing on the biodiversity rather than on any one species. So live and let live all. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.